Hi there. In MS Excel, by using the combination of various functions, you can calculate age. The displayed formula calculates a person's approximate age in years. By subtracting the date of birth from today's date, converting the result to days, and then dividing by 365.